Hello, amazing people. I am Ayushi Rawat and welcome to my channel. Microsoft subsidiary GitHub recently launched Copilot to power pair programming with AI. In this video tutorial, we'll discuss all you need to know about GitHub Copilot. So watch the video till the end. Now you know the pattern. If you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to never miss an update every time I upload a video. So with that being said, let's quickly dive right into the video. Let's have a look at today's agenda so you will know what to expect from this video. We'll cover the following topics. What is GitHub Copilot? How does GitHub Copilot work? How good is GitHub Copilot? Does GitHub Copilot write perfect code? Will your private code be shared with other users? Its availability, and at the end, we'll look at how you can contribute to GitHub Copilot, followed by the ownership of the code. Let's get started. What is GitHub Copilot? More than autocomplete. GitHub Copilot is an AI pair programmer. It is powered by the new AI system developed by OpenAI Codex and is coming soon to Visual Studio Code. It aims to help programmers code faster. It basically draws context from the code you're working on while suggesting you whole new lines of code or entire functions. OpenAI Codex has broad knowledge of how people use code and is significantly more capable than GPT-3 in code generation. Now let's have a look at how does GitHub Copilot works. It can suggest you whole new lines of code or entire functions by analyzing how you code. GitHub Copilot can assemble code from user comments and can predict your code just by reading the function name that you have declared. It allows you to cycle through alternative suggestions and manually edit the suggested code. It autofills repetitive code or create unit tests for your methods. The GitHub Copilot editor extension sends your comments and code to the GitHub Copilot service, which then uses OpenAI Codex to synthesize and suggest code. It actually works by reading through all open source code on GitHub repos worldwide and then collect the data and tries to find the best possible code related to it. It is said to work great with repetitive code patterns so that users can let it generate the rest of the code. The AI assistant can also help you learn a new programming language. How good is GitHub Copilot? Well, the technology is surely truly promising. Copilot helps developers to quickly discover alternative ways to solve problems, write tests, explore new APIs without having to tediously tailor a search for answers on sites like Stack Overflow or across the internet, says Fredman. It's said to have been tested against a set of Python functions that have a good test coverage in open source repos by blanking out the function bodies and asked GitHub Copilot to fill them in. The model gets this right 43% of the time on the first try and 57% of the time when allowed 10 attempts, and it's getting smarter all the time. Does GitHub Copilot writes perfect code? Well, no. GitHub Copilot tries to understand your intent and use it to generate the best code it can. But the code it suggests may not always work or even make sense. GitHub Copilot draws context from the code you're working on, suggesting you new lines of code or entire functions, says GitHub CEO Nat Fredman, explaining in the blog post introducing the technology. The algorithm consistently improves by recording whether each suggestion is accepted or not. In order to make the most out of it, it is suggested to divide the code into smaller functions and provide meaningful function names, parameters, and docstrings. Will your private code be shared with other users? According to GitHub, they only claim to use the telemetry data, including information about which suggestion users accept or reject to improve the model. So basically, no. Now let's have a look at the availability. For now, GitHub Copilot is only made available to use in Visual Studio Code, and the access is limited to a small group of testers. The preview version is, however, available for free. The technical preview works well for Python, JavaScript, TypeScript, Ruby, and Go. But the final version will work with a broader set of frameworks and languages. It will be used to learn how people use GitHub Copilot and what it takes to operate it at scale. How can you contribute? The best way to contribute is to sign up for a technical preview. The access is limited to a small group of testers during the technical preview of GitHub Copilot, so you can join the GitHub Copilot waitlist. The sign up is a very simple process. You'll only need to answer a simple question regarding how often do you use VS Code and then accept the terms and conditions and you're good to go. The number of spots are limited for technical preview, so sign up today. Once the free preview phase is over, the company plans to build a commercial version which will be available as broadly as possible. About sharing the code snippets on social media, GitHub has to say, please use hashtag GitHub Copilot when you post so we can know what you produce. Ownership. Now let's have a look at the ownership of the code produced. GitHub assigns rights to the person writing the code, so the user becomes responsible for suggestion it generates and the code created with Copilot. It belongs to you, so you obtain the sole ownership of the code. If you have more questions or want to know more about GitHub Copilot, you can visit the official website and navigate the most frequently asked questions section. You can find all the necessary links attached in the bottom box below. The questions are divided into 6 major categories. The general category, training set, protecting originality, responsible AI, telemetry, and availability. And that's all for this video, folks. With that, it's a wrap. If you prefer reading or like documented notes, you can visit my blogging website and refer to the blog on GitHub Copilot, where I have mentioned everything in detail. I hope you found the video helpful. If you have read so far, please give the video a big thumbs up. Drop your queries, suggestions, and feedback in the comments section below. I also have some other cool playlists at my channel. Go check them out. The link is available in the description box below. Join my Telegram channel and Discord server to stay connected with me and other fellow developers. Feel free to connect with me at Twitter and LinkedIn. I have attached all the necessary links in the bottom box. I will be back with more such videos. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching.